The ICFA University Meghalaya Admission Open 2024. The university offers program courses in the schools of management, humanities, social sciences, and science and technologies for both undergraduate and postgraduate programs, UG and PG programs. Full-time campus programs offered under the undergraduate programs are BBA, BCA, BCom, BTTM, BA, Economics, Political Science, English and Education. For PG programs are MBA, MCom, MTTM, MCA, MA, Political Science, English and Education, MA Khasi, MSW and MA Music. For further information and details, visit or contact the ICFA University Meghalaya Shillong Campus, Powerville near Shillong Law College, Dhangati, Meghalaya. Phone number 0364 222 0057, 94851 58603, 700-505-7728, 8794-250646.
At the Cabinet meeting held on the 2nd of August 2024, the Meghalaya government has announced plans to amend the Meghalaya Identification, Registration, Safety and Security of Migrant Workers Act 2020 to improve the vetting process for migrant workers. Following a cabinet meeting, the MDA spokesperson Paul Lingdor stated that only migrant workers with clean criminal records will be permitted to work in the state. The Crime and Criminal Tracking Network System, CCTNS, will be used by police to verify the backgrounds of these workers, with the Labour Department coordinating to ensure proper registration. Additionally, penalties for breaching the Act will increase from Rs 5,000 to Rs 1 lakh per offender, with up to 3 months imprisonment for repeat violations. The amendment aims to strengthen regulations for interstate migrant workers and reduce crime in Meghalaya.
One of the major items that was taken up, discussed and approved was the amendment to the Meghalaya Identification, Registration, Safety and Security of Migrant Workers, MIRSS Act 2020, and the Meghalaya Identification, Registration, Safety and Security of Migrant Workers Rules 2020. One of the major components of the new amendment is that the state government will optimize efforts to check the antecedents of migrant workers to ensure that only those with no criminal antecedents can join the workforce as migrant workmen here in Meghalaya. So the cabinet decided that it would make use of a system, a central system called briefly CCTNS, for the Crime and Criminal Tracking Network System. Under this system, which is a database of the crimes and criminals, we will ensure that on the basis of this data available, we will be able to verify the antecedents of migrant workers, and two, the local police will also be able to verify these antecedents based on this system. The system is available with the police, and the Department of Labour will coordinate accordingly to ensure that the records of those who will be registered as migrant workers here in Meghalaya is properly verified. Two, the cabinet also decided that under the Act, the original Act of 2020, there was a provision that whoever is found guilty of violating the Act they were liable to a penalty of 5,000, a fine of 5,000 per individual. But the cabinet will bring this up to the State Assembly in the session which is to be held shortly, whereby we will enhance this penalty from 5,000 rupees to 1 lakh rupees per offender. In the case of repeat offenders, there will be an imprisonment, simple imprisonment for a term not exceeding 3 months.